Following the popularity of community pantries, community feeding stations are now visible in Quezon City. Mayor Joy Belmonte has tasked the Social Services Development Department to set up stations in each Yakap Daycare Center in QC. With the help of daycare workers and parent volunteers, nutritionist dietitians create the menu, like macaroni soup, miswa veggie soup, adobong kangkong, and ginisang repolyo. The ingredients of the meals are sourced from the city's urban farms. The farms provide livelihood to residents of Bagong Silangan, Novaliches, and North Fairview.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.